Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience with the service. Credit Remedy LLC, found at creditremedyllc.com, offers credit repair services. While their website provides some information about their process, potential clients should carefully research and understand the details before committing to any services. It's essential to be aware of your rights and responsibilities regarding credit repair. Be sure to thoroughly review any contracts and fee structures. Credit repair is a complex process, and results are not guaranteed. While Credit Remedy LLC might offer legitimate services, it's crucial to be a well-informed consumer and to manage your expectations. Remember to compare their offerings with other credit repair companies and consider consulting with a financial advisor if you have any doubts or questions. Don't hesitate to ask Credit Remedy LLC for specific details about their methods, costs, and expected timelines. Understanding the potential benefits and drawbacks of credit repair is vital for making informed decisions about your financial future. It's important to remember that no credit repair company can legally guarantee the removal of accurate negative information from your credit report. Furthermore, they cannot promise a specific improvement in your credit score. These are important points to keep in mind as you explore different options for improving your credit. Consider your long-term financial goals and how credit repair fits into your overall strategy. Researching and understanding the credit repair process can empower you to make the best decisions for your individual circumstances. Finally, remember to check with the Better Business Bureau for any information or complaints filed against Credit Remedy LLC. This can provide additional insight into their reputation and business practices. Taking the time to do your due diligence will help you navigate the complexities of credit repair and choose the right path for your financial well-being. Credit repair can be a valuable tool, but it's crucial to approach it with caution and a clear understanding of its limitations. Remember, building good credit takes time and effort, and there are no quick fixes.